What do the ACLU, a Malaysian PhD student, and a Greek business tycoon all have in common? They all came toe-to-toe with a law called the State Secrets Privilege. Never heard of it? You're not alone.
I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
The State Secrets Privilege was born during the height of the Cold War, when a lawsuit was filed against the government after a deadly military plane crash. The US government refused to provide the accident report, claiming that it contained state secrets, information that might harm national security about secret military equipment. But when the report was finally declassified in 1996, it contained no information about the secret equipment. Cover up? And this law is now used more than ever since 9/11. Imagine being kidnapped. You're then flown to a black site run by the CIA, say in Egypt, Morocco, or Afghanistan. You're interrogated and brutally tortured for months. You try and sue those involved, but your lawsuit is thrown out. That's what happened when the ACLU, on behalf of 5 victims of rendition, challenged a controversial CIA program that flew terrorism suspects to these secret prisons. They sued a government airline contractor, a Boeing company called Jepson Dataplan, for allegedly arranging torture flights for the CIA. But the case was thrown out. Yes, the Department of Justice intervened with state secrets privilege, even though much of the evidence was already available to the public. But not all cases involving the state secrets privilege have been completely dismissed. Malaysian Rahina Ibrahim was still a student at Stanford University in California when she tried to board a plane and found out she was placed on the no-fly list. She was arrested and taken into custody. Hours later, the FBI ordered her release, claiming it was all a mistake. But she wasn't allowed to return to her studies in the US from Malaysia. The government revoked her visa. So she sued to find out why she was blacklisted. But, you guessed it, state secrets. After a 9-year ordeal in courts, a federal judge ruled that the government violated her rights by putting her on the list without telling her why. It turned out that Ibrahim was blacklisted because an FBI agent put her name on the no-fly list by mistake. Instead of saying, hey, we messed up, government officials spent years covering it up. Fast forward to September 2014, and one of the most bizarre cases to date. A Greek shipping man named Victor Restis is suing an American advocacy group called United Against a Nuclear Iran, or UANI, for defamation. UANI is a group that pushes for tougher sanctions on Iran by naming and shaming people who do business with the Islamic Republic. Restis accuses UANI of lying about his business relationship with Iran, but the government has stepped in. They invoked state secrets privilege, arguing that the case be shut down. The crazy part? UANI has no affiliation to the government. So why would they have any classified information? Or is the question about who funds them a state secret? Will the judge throw out Restis' case against UANI? We'll soon find out. Keep this in mind when you're trying to sue the government. Want more? Download the AJ Plus mobile app and join the conversation. Available in your app store now.